Hey everyone, it's November 17th and it's been quite a while since I posted a video. Maybe a month even at this point, I don't know. I've been really busy with work and then even busy around here. I've got quite a bit accomplished and I've got quite a bit of footage. But I haven't had time to sit down and transfer everything to the computer and then create videos from all the footage. So anyway, this is just a quick update to say I'm not gone. Hoping to have some time in the next couple weeks to catch up on all those uploads and get all that footage up, show you guys what I've been working on around here. Mostly been cleaning and organizing and trying to finish projects. I finished shingling the ATV shed, which was something that I've been working on for a while. So got some motivation in the last month to just do my best to finish up some things because I knew I had some new projects I wanted to work on. Anyway, I finished that. I've been doing a bunch of cleaning up around here, around the workshop. On the outside, I had the inside of my workshop really nice and neat, and then I decided to clean up outside so it looks a little nicer out here. And now the inside of my workshop's a mess again, but it looks great out here. Anyway, been doing some firewood. Got the workshop firewood all split and stacked for the winter. I still have a bunch of wood at pulp length out in the woods that I need to bring in, put in the woodshed, but I've got the inside wood storage ready for the first half of winter, and I've got some out in the woodshed. Been cleaning up in the garden. Just trying to get organized around here for winter. I'm still behind, but that's the way it goes. We didn't have much of a fall this year. It was summer, 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 and then last week it was 8 degrees during the day. It's very sudden cold snap, and it doesn't usually happen that way. There's a little bit more of an easing in here in central Maine, but this year, as with so many other things that are messed up with the climate and the weather, just sudden snap into very, very cold temperatures, more like February, early February weather right now. But anyway, just a quick update. I am working on some videos. Appreciate everybody who subscribes and watches the channel. Hopefully it's worthwhile for folks, get some information and just to see how things go around a homestead here in central Maine. But I got some new tools recently, and I'm going to start working on some timber frame projects. So I need to go grab my tape measure and go out and measure all the lumber that I've been storing for a long time, and I'm excited to use these new tools. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.